to Andreativity. So today I'm going to be doing a back to school DIY fanny pack. I used this last year and I thought it was kind of boring, so now I'm going to look into my mom's stuff to add some spice to it. This is what I mean when I say it's boring. You see, it's just a basic black, so hopefully when I put the decorations it's gonna look better than this. So let's go! So we have a lot of boxes since we moved here, so I'm gonna open this first box. So most of these are like my slime supplies or things I used for my other DIYs. These pom-poms look good, but they're too much for Christmas. We have some glitter, stickers. This looks nice. So you see this ribbon with the Eiffel Tower on it. I just got back from France, so I'll put a link in the description down below for my Paris vlog. Let's see. Some glue. These. Here. These pink and gold sequins look nice, so I'm gonna use these. We have some of these rhinestones. I'll take this just in case. So I was thinking about using these pink and gold sequins, and I was also thinking about using these ladybugs on the straps of the fanny pack. Should I put this here and put the sequins around, or should I put the rhinestones here in the middle? Should I put the ribbon or the ladybugs on the straps? Let me know down below what you would have done if this was your fanny pack. So now what I've decided to do is I'm going to glue the gold and pink sequins around the fanny pack, and I'm going to sew these ladybugs on the straps of the fanny pack. So I'm going to start by gluing down the sequin. Almost done with the sequins. So as the next step, I'm going to be putting these orange and green rhinestones. So as you can see, there's a film, so you can stick it onto the surface, but for extra help I'm going to be using the tacky glue. I'm gonna put this on the line here.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I'll be back for more videos.